What's up guys, MPTK Dude here. Today we have another item on the table, and this is from Zara, by the way. And then we will see together what's in this box. So let's go. So with that being said, let's unbox this thing. And then I'm gonna use my scissor to unwrap this. Then this is a bit not sharp, but let's see what's inside. Oh, gee, look at that. Let me focus. Gee, look at that, bros. It's a nice packaging. It's in foam. Really nice packaging. Zip that off. I thought this was wrapped in bubble wrap. So let's see it. Oh yes. So that throw that away. So we got this. Oh shit. So I'm gonna unwrap again. That. You guys can see it. Oh yes. So here it is, the box itself. You see that in red. So the one I got here is a 15 centimeter triple triangular prism physics. I don't know, it's something like that. So this is the prism itself. So I just throw some B-rolls in the shots, and you can see the beauty of this thing. So let's show you some samples about how this performs. Let's open it. Oh damn, it's awesome, bros. Oh, it's really solid. The build quality is great. It's really strong. Oh yes, I'm gonna love this thing. The box is really nice though. It's a box, so you don't care about the box, you just care about this. How would you look at that? First impression of this is really awesome. It's as my photography or video accessory, one of these accessories. I'm gonna use this in my photos and videos. So I'm gonna show you some examples of photo or video later on. But damn, would you look at that? It's so cool. So cool, bro. Amazing. So the item came on unscratched and in good condition, so we will give Lazada a 5-star feedback. Sorry for the background noises. It's really noisy out there, so I apologize for that. Then thank you guys for watching this video. If you like it, leave it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this and some videos in the future. And hope to see you guys again in the next video. This is me, T, taking out. Peace out, dudes.